feel okay. Feel cool, soft.
I would say like a little thin.
I wouldn't mind a little more treble up there, like the higher.
It sounds clear, it sounds balanced. Not a lot of power.
Mostly like the top range.
I don't know, I feel like I'm not being surrounded by the sound.
I need my cranium vibrating.
I would say that these would be like, you know, kind of entry level. Ooh.
They swallow up the whole ear. I can hear the bass now.
I'm getting all the warm mids and the bass.
That's it.
And everything feels warm. Everything feels good.
Yes, I hear the treble so well. And then that bass isn't distorting.
I like these a lot more than the first pair.
These are lighter than the ones I was just listening to.
But these feel like, you know, when the doctor like looks in your ears.
Or the sound is a little thinner than the first or the second one.
The lows are beastly.
But the clarity on these is nice. It's just not giving you the power.
Like chunky bass and kind of dominating lower mids. Oh, I'm looking over there.
Are these the ones that I liked?
Yeah, wow.
Oh, this is nice.
And the fact that they just look like normal earbuds is crazy to me. Okay, Google, buy me these.
Okay, I'll be honest, I haven't heard about them until today, but they should take over.
Compliments to the chef.
The boom bap is right here.